Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about Revit parameters. So now here I will show you what is a Revit parameters. So here one point is given. A parameter in Revit is a piece of information or data that defines, controls or describes an element. Now what this really means? A parameter is equal to information attached to a Revit element. Okay, so it tells Revit what the element is and how it behaves and how it is documented. For example, suppose here I am opening my Revit mechanical default template. So here I will give you the example of parameters like if you have a air diffuser. So in the system tab, see the air terminal. So from here you can select the diffuser, supply air diffuser I have selected, and you can place it anywhere. What I want to see here I have placed the diffuser. Now if you see, when I am selecting the diffuser, you would be able to see in the properties palette, see in the left side, in the properties palette, you would be able to see the size of this diffuser, 12 inch by 12 inch, even the flow rate. Okay, so these all are the parameters. Even in the edit type also, when you see the duct width, duct height, diffuser width, diffuser height, means here the face size of diffuser is given and the neck size is 12 inch by 12 inch. So these are the parameters. Okay, so without these parameters, the diffuser is just a shape. Okay, not a beam object. Remember, got it? So these parameters defined and describe the element. Got it? So I hope that you have understood the first point. Now let's come to our next point. Now what is given here, that a parameter can control size, quantity, identity, performance or behavior of any Revit elements. So now here what is given, that parameter can control size, means parameter can change dimension. Simple. See, I will give you just open the Revit, and here what I am doing, just see, just an example. I am just taking the example of a duct. Here I am drawing one duct. Okay, let's say one ducting layout. Got it? So if you change, right now the size of duct is how much? If you see 12 inch by 12 inch. So what is mean by that parameter can change dimension? Means what? If you change duct width parameter from 12 inch to any of the 16 inch. So what happens? See what happening here? The duct automatically resize. Can you see? See, right now it is a 12 inch. Now I am changing the width as a 16 inch. See? So that is why I am telling the parameter can change dimension. Parameter helps calculate quantity automatically. Parameters tell what the element is, means their identity. Okay. Even performance parameters show how the system work, like cooling capacity, airflow, pressure drop. Okay. Parameter control how element react, like pipe slope, duct system connections. Okay. So this is the exact meaning of this second point which I have discussed here. Got it? Now here one point is given, that in simple word, anything you can see, change, tag or schedule in Revit is controlled by a parameter. So this is very important line. See, if you can see it, edit it, tag it, schedule it, so it is a parameter. Simple. Okay, is it clear? Now without parameters, Revit is only 3D modeling. With parameter, Revit becomes building information modeling. So this is the heart of BIM. Without parameters, if you see anything, is just like a 3D shape. Okay, there is no quantity, no schedule, no data. So this is a CAD in 3D. Simple. And with parameters, what happened? The elements look like an intelligence element. Okay, Even you can prepare the BOQ, quantity takeoff. Okay, so I will give you just a real example of this point. If you see here in system tab, I want to draw the pipe. Suppose I am drawing pipe from here. Just a real example I am showing you. Suppose here I have drawn one piping layout. Okay, so a pipe with parameters, if you see here we have a pipes, and here the parameter is also given. So you know that a pipe with parameters knows diameters. See na, inside diameter, outside diameters, size, length, even you would be able to see the flow and everything. Got it? So a pipe without parameter, suppose if parameter is not given, means this all dimension whatever it is given, these all are called as a parameter. If a pipe without parameter is just like a cylinder, simple. Okay, so this is all about Revit parameters. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next class.